Today we are going to be making
fudge brownie.
Let's get out of the video. Today we're making brownies. Let's get cooking chicken. Let's get cooking good. Okay, first, so basically we need a bowl.
Oh, we do need a bowl.
Because it's...
What? You should wash your hands. Get some soap.
Everyone wants to be the queen.
Oh no. Yeah. What is this? Suddenly pasta salad. My switch. What did you do? What did you do? Just. I know I'm an idiot.
Let's pour it in. If you do this, we're going by the book. Oh. Let me get this wet.
Did you?
Guys, they got a new trash can. Honestly, I've had to.
Wow.
Wait, you know the golden egg? Wait, no, can we make a thumbnail? Maybe it's an egg. It's okay, put it on it. Yeah, can I mix it? Can I use the?
I don't know if you even have that.
You guys better have it.
Where is that? Oh, I don't think we.
Appropriate. Holy frick, these things are hard.
Name. I don't know.
No, Alyssa. Oh yeah, I forgot you had the other ingredients. No, Sophia.
Yes, that's how. Can you bring the bowl over here?
Yeah. Guys, we live in Canada. Get ready, I'm pouring it.
Wait, be careful.
And we will see you guys whenever the brownies are done, and then we'll cut it, and then we'll give it to Sophia's mom, and then we'll have a mukbang. See you guys when we are there. Okay guys, the brownies are done. They have to cool. But I'm gonna show you guys because they're really sexy. A brownie mukbang. Okay, one, two, three.
Wait, no, we should feed each other.
Oh.
We're so weird. Oh my god. Look at my mom's rate. Be right back.
Do 1 out of 10. These brownies are really orgasmic. Really? We got a 9? We got a 9?
She said that.
We got a 9. I'm thirsty. Give me water. Bye.